One day there was an ant who was looking for food. He continued walking through the forest until finally he saw an apple tree bearing abundant fruit. The tree was located across a fast flowing river. To get to the apple tree, of course, he had to cross the river. Finally, driven by his hunger, he intended to swim across the river, but he failed and started to sink. He tried to scream for help from other animals that might be passing by the river, but unfortunately no one could help him, and gave up and almost drowned because he ran out of energy. When he wanted to give up, a dove came and saw him in the river. The dove immediately pulled alive, was nearby and dropped it into the river near the end. With the remaining strength, the ant swam towards the leaf and immediately climbed into the leaf that had been thrown by the dove. After returning to the river bank, the ant was grateful that the dove had saved him. A few days after the incident, a hunter entered the forest. The hunter saw a dove happily perched on the tree. The dove didn't realize that the hunter was targeting and wanted to shoot him. Luckily, the ants were not far from that place. Now that what the hunter was targeting was the dove that had helped him. The ant tried to stop the hunter's attention. Then the ant ran as fast as he could to approach the hunter and beat his leg hardly. Because the hunter snarled and felt pain in his leg. Accidentally, he released his rifle and made a gunshot. The sound startled the dove and made him realize that he was in danger. Then the dove immediately flew and went away from the hunter. Finally, the dove and ant managed to escape. If previous, the dove managed to save the ant, who was almost drowning from the river. Now, the ant managed to save the dove from the hunter. The ant and the dove thanked each other, and the day befriend were always together.